Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Homestyle with Heaney, and today we're going to do a sensory project. We're going to do bubble sensory play. I'm really excited about this because Cadence is now 15 months and he's a lot bigger, and really I feel like he's going to really enjoy this project. So let me show you what materials we're using today. And so what we're going to use is one container, any size is fine. I like to use a big one where he can have enough put his hands inside and can kind of contain the water a little bit. We have some bubble bath, and this is just one that I have laying around that we don't really use. I like to use these for art projects with him because they're tear-free, and so if he gets it in his eyes, it's totally fine and it's non-toxic. Straw, food coloring to color the water, and about a cup of water to dilute the bubbles. So let's get started. I'm so excited. Hi, you ready to do some sensory play? Are you ready? Huh? Are you so ready to do it? You're in sensory play? Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we poured some of the bubble mix in. Okay, we have our bubbles in here. And now we're going to add the water to it. So let's add some water. And then we're going to blow. Bubbles! You want to add some color to it then? Should we add some color to it? Blue? Do you want to add blue? Bubbles! Blue bubble. Yeah, and then, so once you have the bubble solution, you're just going to let them play in it, which he's doing. Getting the textures and learning about color. Blue bubble. Wow. So we don't have to worry about the food coloring in his hands because it's non-toxic and it will wash right off. And it's tear-free soap, so we don't have to worry about it going in his eyes. And if it does go in his eyes, easy. Bubbles! Yes! So yeah, it's on his tray now, and he can just kind of rub it around, and now it's moved into like a sensory painting activity. Yeah, so looks like he's really enjoying the bubbles. Should we put some more on there? Some more bubbles. Yeah, so we're just gonna let him explore. See if I can blow some more bubbles. Yeah. And the cool thing about this project is that it's soap and water. So some of it actually did get on the carpet, but it was totally fine because it was soap and it just washed right off. But this may seem like it's really messy, but it cleans so easily because it literally is just soap and water. And like, even though his hands look blue, once I wash them, his hands are not. You having fun? Yeah, that concludes my video. Thank you for tuning in, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, please click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can get notifications of new postings. And feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know if you tried it and how it came out with your kids. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yay. Bubbles. You gonna play with more bubbles? Okay. Wow. Look at all those bubbles.